Hey YouTube, this is Jonah with JT Stuff 1, and I just wanted to make a really nice little video about stocks, because stocks are fun and important. Okay, so I've recently bought this stock advisor Motley Fool. I don't know if I recommend them yet, because I've only had them for a few weeks, but from what people tell me, they can help you turn a profit. And these are the stocks that they recommend for April 22nd. And, well, we're just gonna make a purchase, and I'm going to buy a share of Lemonade. I already looked up what Lemonade does, and basically what they do is they manage insurance. They do something with management of insurance. Yes, something like that. And I know insurance makes money, but look at this. I found this interesting. They were worth, one share was worth $183. Just the beginning of this year, 2002, January 11th, 2002, it was $183. And now it's $90. Hopefully they can go back up, maybe even go higher. But I say if you want to ride that train to the top, now is the time to get some shares of this. Buy it while it's cheap. Even though 44% of people are holding, I am going to buy. So that's what we're going to do. Here we go. One share, total price. It is after hours, so it's not going to go through until tomorrow morning. But there we go. There we go. We have one share. So let me go back to my lists and I'll show y'all. Here we go. Monthly full. It's pending. So yeah, we got one share of Lemonade pending, one share of Toro. They work on turf equipment, professional and residential. Boston Beer, Airbnb, New York Times. Let's see, it was Boston Beer was impressive because if you go to 1 year, you can just see how much they've been growing. Like they broke the $1,000 mark this year in 21. If you would have bought them in May 7th of 2020, could have got one share for $477, and now it's at $1,300. So that just goes to show you want to really go in for the long terms. I'm talking like 3 to 5 years, maybe even longer. If you can do longer, absolutely hold on to them. So that's my video for today. I recommend Motley Fool. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks. Bye.